Getting the frustrating Steam authentication failed error? Don't worry, I have got quick fixes to get you back in the game. First of all, check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch to a stable network. Often a simple refresh solves is the issue. Still stuck? Open your Steam client. Head to settings and go to the downloads tab. Click clear download cache. This removes any corrupted data causing authentication issues. After cleaning the cache, restart Steam and try logging in again. If that doesn't work, ensure your Steam client is up to date. Go to Steam, check for Steam client updates and install any pending updates. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Steam. Don't worry, your games and data will still be safe. Problem solved, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Happy gaming. Thanks for watching.